up guys, in today's video I will be teaching you guys how can you convert a word document into a PDF file without installing any external application. You just have to install Microsoft Word from the Play Store. Okay, so here I'm using an Android device, and yeah, I'll just show you. First, just open a blank document and just whatever you want to type or whatever you have copied, just paste it over here. So yeah, I just have pasted my description. You can see I just have pasted this. So now what you have to do is here, just click on this drop down option. If you click this, you will get some interface something like this. Then go ahead and click on save, and after this it shows something like this. After that, click on file. Okay, after clicking on file, what you have to do is click on print. Okay, click on print over here. After clicking on print, it just takes some time to load. Yeah, after it just loads, it will show you some interface like how it's gonna print it. So yeah, now what you have to do is go ahead and click this option, and here it shows some interface like this. Here just type the name of your document, and after typing, just go ahead and click on save and just choose your file location. So that's pretty simple, tutorial. I just thought it gonna be helpful. So yeah, just choose the file location. Then if you after choosing the file location, the save option will be enabled. So guys, yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.